Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Today I am going to start the chapter Evolution. Evolution. In chapter Evolution, we have to discuss about how the pre-existing simple forms are converted into very complex organisms. If you see surrounding to us, we can see the more different variety of plants and animals. And once upon a time, there is no complex organisms, only there is a unicellular organisms. In evolution, we will see how that unicellular organisms are converted into these complex organisms. If we see the evolution, in evolution, first we will start our discussion with the evolutionary biology. Evolutionary biology. Evolutionary biology means study of history of life forms. What is evolutionary biology? It is the study of history of life forms. Study of history of life forms. Life forms means the plants, animals, etc. The total plants or the group of plants are called as flora. Group of animals is called as fauna. Hence, in the evolutionary biology, we will see what are the changes which occurs in flora and fauna. The changes which occurs in flora. Flora means plant species and fauna. Fauna means animal species. What are the changes which occurs in flora and fauna over the millions of years? Millions of years on Earth. This is called as evolutionary biology. Study of history of life forms. The history of life forms are nothing but how the different organisms are evolved, like how human beings are formed. Okay, what happened before formation of human beings, like that. What are the changes which occurs in the living organisms? The changes which we can see in the plant species, the changes which we can see in animal species over millions of years, we will see in evolutionary biology. Next, evolutionary biology in evolutionary biology we will not only see about what are the changes which happen in flora and fauna, we also see that the changes we also see that how the universe is originated, how the earth is originated. Hence, we can say that the evolutionary biology, this is story. This is a story. This is a story of origin of life. Origin of life. This is the story of origin of life, in which we have to see about origin of or evolution of life forms also. First, what happened? Origin of life, and apart from that, evolution of life forms. Evolution of life forms. This is a story of origin of life and evolution of life forms. This evolution of life forms also called as biodiversity. Because of evolution only, we can see the formation of diverse organisms. Hence, this evolution of life forms we can also call as biodiversity. The evolutionary biology is a story that will explain about origin of life and evolution of life forms. Then, apart from that, it is also explain about evolution of earth and evolution of universe, which also explain. Instead of evolution, you can say origin of earth and origin of universe. Origin of universe. That is the evolutionary biology. Once again, if you see the evolutionary biology, study of history of life forms, that means changes which happen in flora and fauna over millions of years on earth, is called as evolutionary biology. And this evolutionary biology is a story in which we can see origin of life, evolution of life forms, and also we can see origin of earth and origin of universe. Okay, one by one we have to see. We'll start with the origin of life. In origin of life itself, we have to see about evolution of life forms, origin of universe, and origin of earth also. Origin of life. Origin of life. Origin of life. Origin of life is an unique event in the history of universe. History of universe. Origin of life. This origin of life is unique event. It is a special event, unique event in history of universe. History of universe. Here, to understand about origin of life, first we should see about origin of universe and origin of earth. To know about, if you want to know about complete details of origin of life, first we should start with the origin of universe and origin of earth. To know about origin of universe, origin of life, we should know. Okay, we should understand. What we should understand? Origin of universe and origin of earth. Origin of universe. Apart from that, we should know about origin of earth. Origin of earth. First, we will see about origin of universe. After that, we will see about origin of earth. Okay, origin of universe. Universe is very vast. It is a very big. If you observe, even of if you see the earth, if you compare earth with universe, earth is like a small dust particle. Universe is originated before 20 billion years ago. There is one theory that will explain about origin of universe, is called as Big Bang theory. If you see the universe originated, or universe is formed 20 billion years ago. BYA means billion years ago. If you see the universe is vast. It formed 20 billion years ago. Universe is very vast. Then if you see, even our earth is like a speck. If you see, universe is a vast. And if you see earth in front of universe, it is like a speck, small piece. The theory which will explain about origin of universe is Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory. This Big Bang theory explain about origin of universe. Origin of universe is explained by Big Bang theory. If you see, according to Big Bang theory, unimaginable single huge explosion create the universe. Unimaginable. There is a, see, this is the one substance. What happened? This substance is exploded. It is unimaginable. We cannot imagine it. We cannot imagine that huge explosion. Unimaginable. It is the huge or large explosion leads to formation of present day universe. This is the universe. Universe is formed by the unimaginable large explosion according to Big Bang theory. That is the Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory explain about origin of universe. What is the Big Bang theory? According to Big Bang theory, according to this theory, what we can observe, the unimaginable unimaginable, huge, it is very large explosion, huge explosion, which leads to formation of universe. That leads to formation. What formation? Formation of universe. Universe is formed because of this thing. Next, who explained the Big Bang theory? Big Bang theory is explained by Georges Lemaitre. Big Bang theory. Is Big Bang theory explained by Georges Georges Lemaitre. This Georges Lemaitre is the scientist who explained the Big Bang theory. Then after the explosion, what happened? One by one we will see. First we will see what happened during explosion. After that, what happened? Then when life is formed, when earth is formed, everything we will discuss. If you see the universe, because of this explosion, universe is expanded. Because of expansion of universe, the temperature which present in the universe is decreased. Due to explosion, the universe, here due to explosion, universe expanded means it become, the size of universe is increased, hence the temperature decrease. Hence the temperature of universe decreased because of expansion. Expansion happened because of explosion. First, what happened? Explosion happened because of Big Bang theory. According to Big Bang theory, because of explosion, expanded. Universe is expanded. Because of expansion, the temperature in the universe is decreased. Then later, what we can observe? The hydrogen helium. Later, we can see the formation of hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. These are the gases. Hydrogen and helium formed. Hydrogen and helium are formed, then these hydrogen and helium are condensed. Because of condensation of hydrogen and helium, we can see the formation of galaxies. Hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium is formed. Then because of condensation of these gases, condensation of these gases leads to formation of universe. Hydrogen and helium condensed. Condensed to form galaxies. Condensed. This condensation happened due to gravitation, under gravitation. And form galaxies. Galaxies are formed because of condensation of hydrogen and helium. Later, now the first what happened before 20 billion years ago, due to huge explosion, the universe is formed. After that, due to expansion, due to explosion, expansion happened. Because of expansion, the temperature is decreased. When temperature is decreased, after decrease of temperature, we can see formation of hydrogen and helium gases. That hydrogen and helium gases which are formed in universe condensed under gravitation, that leads to formation of galaxies. Once if you see what is the universe, what are there in universe and all, example, this is the universe. Okay, universe is very large. Only for your understanding, I am going to write this. This is the universe. This is the universe. If you observe this universe, universe contain two things. One is galaxies. These are galaxies. Many galaxies are present in universe. These are galaxies. Next, along with the galaxies, universe also contain empty spaces. Empty spaces. That is about universe. Universe contain two things. One is galaxies, one is galaxy, another one is empty spaces. Many galaxies and empty spaces we can observe in universe. Then our solar system. Our solar system means sun along with the planets which are present surrounding to the sun. Our solar system is present in Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system. If you observe our solar system means sun and its planets. 8 planets are present surrounding to the sun. Sun and its planets combinedly form sun and its planets, along with that many stars combinedly form the galaxy. Here our solar system present in Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy. It is one galaxy name. Milky Way galaxy. Then we have seen that the universe contain galaxies and empty spaces. Now we have to see what is there in each galaxy. Example, if you see this example, this is the galaxy. This is the galaxy. If you observe the galaxy which contain many stars, these are the stars. Galaxy contain many stars like this. Many stars. Along with the stars, we can see clouds of gases. Along with the stars, we can see clouds of gases. Clouds of gases. Then we can also see the dust particles. Dust particles. Each galaxy contain stars, clouds of gases, and dust particles. That is about galaxy. Next, here if you see the distance in universe, the distance in universe is called stellar distance. Stellar distances. Stellar distances like the distance between the two stars, distance between star and planet, like that. Stellar distances in universe we can measure by light year. We cannot measure it by kilometers because it is very long. On the earth, if you want to measure the distance between one village to another village, one place to another place, we can measure by the kilometers. Here stellar distances we can measure by light year. Light year. Okay, light year, not the unit of time. Light year is unit of distance. Example, if you see this star, light year means how much distance light travel for 1 year, that is called as light year. Example, if light start from the first star, if it will reach to the second star within 2 years, the distance we can say that 2 light years. 2 light years. The distance between these two stars is 2 light years. But actually sometime there is a lot of distance in between the stars, like it is 1 million light years, 2 million light years, like that also we can see. That is the stellar distances. Stellar distances we can measure by using the light year. Then here if you want to see any object, any object, any object, we can see by the emission of light which fall on it. We can see, if you see the any object we can see by emission of light. Emission of light from that object, from the object. That emitted light is reached to our eye. That is the reason why we can see the objects. Like this is one room. This is one room, and here there is a light. This is the light in the room. If there is no light, we cannot see the objects. And here there is a one box. This is the box. First what happened, the light is fall on this box, then that light is emitted from this box. Finally that light is travel to reach our eye, and when the light is reached to our eye, then only we can see the object. It will take very minute seconds. Okay, light should be travel, definitely light should be travel from the object to reach our eye. It will take very minute seconds to reach light from the object to our eye. But in case if you want to see the stars, example, this is the star which present in the sky, and here we can see we are there on the earth. We are able to see the star because of emission of light. Light is emitted from the star, that is travel to reach our eye. Already we know that the distance between our earth and star is, it may be in few millions of light years. Means if light want to reach our eye, it should be travel for trillions of kilometers. Trillions of kilometers it will be travel, and trillions of kilometers if it want to travel millions of years back only it should be start. Means many lot of light years are there. Hence actually the star which we are see now emitted light before millions of years back and travel trillions of kilometers. It started its journey millions of years ago, and it will start trillions of kilometers to reach our eye. Hence what happened actually, we are if you see the star means we are able to see in past. Example, this is the earth and this is the another planet which present in the universe. With very powerful telescope, the aliens which are present in another planet, this is the planet and here it is earth. Here they are able to see the earth because of emission of light from the earth. Hence how they are able to see the light which is emitted from the earth start its journey, and it will be travel for millions trillions of kilometers, and it will travel millions of years. Finally it will reach, that will reach to its planet, another planet. Then here, because of that, the aliens can be see the earth which is millions of years back. Okay, million, they can see the earth which is in past, like dinosaur. Example, there is a dinosaur is present on earth. Millions of years ago only dinosaurs are already extinct, but they can see the dinosaurs. Now also they can see the dinosaurs because the light which is emitted millions of years ago, they are able to see the past. Where I example, if you see the star, if the star is emit the light and it will be disappear also, we can now we can see that star because light will not disappear. Star may be disappear, light continue its journey in vacuum and finally reach to our eye. Here also they are able to see the dinosaur because the light which is emitted from the dinosaur may be extinct, but light which emitted from the dinosaur travel in vacuum and finally reach to the aliens planet. Okay, that is the reason why we are able to see in past. What we can write here, if you see object it is present very near to us. Object which present near to us will be seen instantly because light travel within fraction of seconds, will be seen instantly in present time. Next, if you see, we are able to see the stars. by light, by light which emitted from the star. Before our birth only the light is emitted, which emitted from star that traveled millions of years, millions of years. It started its journey millions of years ago, traveled millions of years and crossed trillions of kilometers, for trillions of kilometers, trillions of kilometers to reach our eye. Hence, actually, we are able to see in past. That is about origin of universe. Next, we will see about origin of Earth. Within one point, we will see about origin of Earth. Earth originated before 4.5 billion years ago. Earth originated before 4.5 billion years ago. 20 billion years ago, our universe is originated. 4.5 billion years ago, our Earth is originated. Then at the starting, this is the Earth which is originated. At the starting, there is no atmosphere in the Earth. See, this is the Earth, newly formed Earth. Temperature is very high in the newly formed Earth. There is no atmosphere in newly formed Earth. There is no atmosphere. There was no atmosphere on earlier. Later, what happened? Molten mass. Molten mass means the surface of Earth covered by the molten mass. This is the molten mass. Earth surface is the layer of Earth. It is the top layer of Earth. We can say the top layer of Earth, primitive Earth, not present Earth. This is the molten mass. The molten mass which present in the primitive Earth released few substances. Few substances are released from this molten mass that leads to formation of the reducing atmosphere. Starting there is no atmosphere, but this molten mass, there is some gases are released from this molten mass. First one is water vapor. Water vapor. Along with the water vapor, this molten mass also release the carbon dioxide. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, ammonia. Along with that, it also release the methane, ammonia and methane. Because of that, we can see the formation of reducing atmosphere. Molten mass release, molten mass released, molten mass release, water vapor. Along with the water vapor, it has released carbon dioxide, ammonia, methane, which form reducing atmosphere. Those things are from the reducing atmosphere on Earth, which form reducing atmosphere. Why there is a reducing atmosphere? There is a hydrogen also. We can see later hydrogen also form. How hydrogen will form, that also I will say. It will form the reducing atmosphere. No oxygen. Hence, the atmosphere is reducing atmosphere. Here what we can observe, the water vapor. Water vapor. This is the water vapor, H2O. Water vapor. There is no water. Water vapor is present because at high temperature, water is converted into water vapor. Hence, there is only water vapor. The UV rays. UV rays, in the presence of UV rays, water vapor is converted into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen. Then if you see this hydrogen, when you compare with oxygen, hydrogen has a light weight. Light hydrogen is escaped. That is escaped. Light hydrogen. Light hydrogen escaped. escaped from the Earth's surface. Then what about this oxygen? This oxygen cannot form the oxidizing atmosphere because oxygen is not in the free form. The oxygen also released from the breakdown of water molecule, but immediately this oxygen is react with other substances. Here if you observe, this oxygen react with methane, light hydrogen is escaped, then remaining hydrogen, oxygen react with methane and ammonia. Then it will form water, again water, carbon dioxide and other substances. That formula I can write here. Here oxygen react with methane and ammonia. Then after the reaction it will form the carbon dioxide, water vapor and other substances. Here what we can observe, the oxygen is not in the free form. Oxygen always joins with either carbon or they are to the another hydrogen. Hence there is no oxidizing atmosphere. There is only reducing atmosphere. Hydrogen is formed here because of breakdown of water vapor into UV rays. That hydrogen is present, no oxygen, hence the atmosphere is reducing atmosphere. Later we can see the formation of ozone layer. Ozone layer is formed. Next, then after the few years, the earth temperature is decreased. Hence, water vapor is converted into rain, and that leads to formation of oceans. Earth was cooled. Hence, what we can observe, water vapor. Water vapor fell as rain and fill all deep places, fill all the depressions. That leads to formation of oceans, to form oceans. Now, oceans also form. This is the earth like this. That depressions are filled with water, that leads to formation of oceans. Origin of life is started in the ocean. Life appeared on earth 4 billion years ago. Life appeared on earth 4 billion years ago, or we can say that 1 billion equal to 1000 million. We can say that 4000 billion years ago life appeared 4000 billion years ago, or we can say that life appeared 500 million years after the formation of earth. We can say that life appeared 500 million years after formation of earth. Means it took 500 million years for formation of life. 500 million years there is no life on earth. Life appeared, first life appeared after 500 million years. After the 500 million years from the starting of origin of earth or formation of earth, later what happened, the life is appeared. Okay, remaining we'll see in the second part.